Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload images with Deepseek AI. For that, you will have to come on Deepseek AI and you need to log in into your account. Nowadays, a lot of people are facing difficulties in creating account on Deepseek AI. So if you are one of them, if you want to figure it out how you can just register on Deepseek AI, I have created a series of videos on my channel, so you can just check that out. Now once you have successfully logged in your account, the interface of Deepseek will look something like this. Now over here you will see this clip kind of button, so you need to click on it, and from here you just have to select the image from your machine, from your desktop or PC. Now you need to wait for some time until it is uploading the image over here, and in the meantime when it is uploading the image, you can just type your prompt. So you can just type anything like here, and then you just have to press enter, and it will take your image as a response, and it will also interact with you based on the image and the prompt that you sent it. So this is how you can basically upload images with Deepseek AI. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.